How to generate leads for your online business. Have you ever wondered why you are not able to make consistent sales in your business? One of the biggest challenges a lot of entrepreneurs have is they do not know how to generate leads on autopilot. And this is a problem I had when I started until I learned how to fix the problem. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to generate leads on autopilot. Let's dive right into the video. How to generate leads for your online business. The first step to generate leads for your online business is audit your audience and develop a freebie. Audit your audience and develop a freebie. Why it's important not to just develop a freebie by yourself. If you go ahead and develop something that people don't actually want or need, it's going to be useless because you try selling something to people who are not interested. So the first step is very critical. You need to figure out what do they want. How do you do this? Go to my other video on how to pre-sell, and it teaches you step by step on how to audit your audience. But I can give you an idea. Ask people what they want. When you ask people what they want, they're going to tell you exactly what they want and how much they are willing to pay for it. Now, your goal is to be able to create this thing and either pre-sell it to them or give it to them as a freebie. When I say a freebie, I'm referring to creating a free masterclass, a free course, a free download of your book, a free PDF, something that is valuable that you can give it to them. If you're starting out, I recommend you giving it to them as a freebie because this is going to help you create a better relationship with you and your prospect in the beginning stages. That is going to help you in the long term when you're looking to grow and scale your business. 2, design a simple landing page. Design a simple landing page. When you are starting out, you don't need anything complicated. Some of us have funnels, we have landing pages, we have websites because we've now really established the business to a point that it makes sense to do. But when you're starting out, I recommend send them to a one-page landing page that can help you generate leads. It just has to have a picture or a video and section for them to put in their name and their email. You just don't want to design a freebie that is valuable, like a course or a masterclass or a book, and just give it to them directly. You want to exchange that with their customer information or their prospective information. You want to create something that allows them to be able to give you their information in exchange for your freebie. 3, email automation. Write up email automations so that you can automatically follow up with people who are interested in your offer. So if you had an offer in your freebie, let's say it's a masterclass or a free download of your book or a PDF or white paper case studies, whatever it is, you want to be able to automatically follow up with the people who have expressed interest in your freebie. And how you do this is through creating automated emails. Now, it's super easy to do this in this day and age. In the past, you need to hire a copywriter to do this for you. But if you go to ChatGPT and you tell ChatGPT exactly what you do and ask it to write a sequence of emails for you, it's going to do that. You can just take that email, refine it a little bit, and put it as your email automation to help you follow up with your prospects. So for instance, my book, 100K Secrets, you can get a free download from my social media pages. If you go on Instagram, you'll be able to click on the link in my bio and you can easily download a free sample. But in exchange to get a free sample, what I do is I collect people's name and email, and an automated email is sent out to the people who downloaded it. It's simple but very effective because once people download, they have expressed interest and you want to interact with them. Like you can use ConvertKit to do this. You can use MailChimp to do this. There are a number of different providers. I prefer ConvertKit because I've used it for a while and I understand how it works, and our team is very proficient at setting it up. But if you have a different email provider you want to use, that's totally fine. The most important thing is automate this so they have emails that come from you that show them the next step of what to do in order for them to achieve whatever goal they set up to achieve. 4, create relevant content tied to your freebie. You need to create relevant content that is tied to your freebie. Find different pieces of content you can create that can help you to be able to get the word out about your freebie. So you can sit and write different content pieces that will be relevant to your freebie. This is going to aid and abate you on the next step that we're going to be talking about very soon. But I want you to just not create a freebie. I want you to sit down and think about different content pieces that are relevant to your prospect. What is one problem your freebie can solve? And just come at that problem from different angle. Let me give an example. 100K Secrets is my freebie, but how I promote it is I talk about the struggles people have when they're starting a business. Then I have a call to action that has PS. If you're interested to start in a business, I have a free sample of 100K Secrets that's available, and then I point them to the direction. That way, when I tell stories, I'm telling stories that are relevant to the book I've written, and the call to action is if you want a free sample, this is how you can download it. You need to point people to a clear-cut call to action, because if you don't have a clear-cut call to action, people are going to be confused on what to do, and people are going to go around in circles and end up not doing anything. The whole goal of creating a freebie and creating a landing page and email automation and content creation, it leads us to the last step. And the last step is this: promote the freebie on socials. Once you have created the different pieces of content, it doesn't matter whether it's written, verbal, is video, create different pieces of content, but make sure that you promote this content. This is the last and most important step. A lot of people do all these different steps like creating a freebie, designing a landing page, and even email automations and everything, but they do not promote it, and they wonder why their freebie is not flying off the shelves and people are not downloading it and they are not getting leads on autopilot. You need to be able to promote it. You need to tell people where it is, how they can find it, how they can access it, and you need to be able to tell stories that are relevant to the freebie. If you're able to put all these together, you'll start generating more leads than you can believe. Why am I saying this? So I struggled with lead generation for a while. Sometimes we have a ton of leads by content that we posted, but I never had a consistent strategy on how can I generate leads, qualified leads on autopilot until I wrote this book. So for everybody who is looking to generate leads on autopilot, if you can write a book, it's a great way to start generating leads because you have a product that people can experience before they actually decide to work with you. And this is going to help you to pre-qualify people who are the right prospect to work with you. Rather than just saying yes to anybody, you can start building the know, like, trust factor by creating the masterclass, a course, a free download of your book, something in exchange for their name and information. And when that happens, it shows you that the person is interested in the thing you're offering. So this gives you the leverage to be able to follow up with them to see if you are the right fit to solve the problem they have. If you like to see the exact way I put all these steps into action, comment the word blueprint below and I'll send you a free sample of 100K Secrets. You see all the steps I have laid out to generate leads, and you also get a free sample of my book, 100K Secrets, the 5-step blueprint to creating a 6-figure online business. Lesson from today: leads will not generate themselves until you do something to generate the leads. My name is Kim Boari. If you enjoyed this video, click here to watch my next video.